everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and for today's A to Z World Foods, we are making cucumber salad. Now this dish is a Hungarian recipe and is a popular summertime salad. It's commonly paired with roasted chicken or other grilled meats. For this recipe, you will need some cucumbers, sour cream, sugar, salt, garlic, and white vinegar. This recipe does call for white wine vinegar or a good quality vinegar. Let's get started. To start, peel 2 long cucumbers. Then thinly slice them using a mandolin or a sharp knife. Place the thin slices into a bowl. When you're finished cutting both cucumbers, add a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon, in with the cucumbers. Mix them well and place them in a cool place like the fridge to drain for about an hour. While your cucumbers are draining, make the first part of your salad dressing. Start by adding 1/4 cup of white vinegar wine or white vinegar to a bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk the items together until they're combined. After an hour of resting, use a strainer to separate the water from the cucumbers. Be sure to remove as much water as you can. Once the water has been removed, place the cucumbers back into a bowl and add the vinegar mixture. After the vinegar mixture has been mixed in with the cucumbers, it's time to make the second part of the salad dressing. Add a 3/4 cup of sour cream to a bowl and 1 clove of minced garlic. Mix the 2 ingredients together well. Once the sour cream and garlic mixture is ready, add it to the cucumbers and mix together until the cucumbers are well coated. Finish by sprinkling a little bit of paprika to the top of the salad. And now our cucumber salad is ready to serve. This is an easy recipe to put together and a great addition to any summertime meal. This recipe took about 15 minutes to prep, plus an hour to wait for the cucumbers to drain, and serves for 5 people. Thank you for joining me for this installment of A to Z World Foods. You can find the written recipe in the video description below. I hope you can join us for our next installment, but until then, take care.